This is where the fun starts.
We're at the Tonle Sap lake in Siem Reap. It's the biggest something lake, I think freshwater lake. I don't know much. We're not taking a boat ride because it turned out to be something like $28 and quite expensive for all of us. So we're taking a look at the free stuff. Let's take a look at the lake. I think it's the biggest freshwater lake in the world or in Asia. I'm wearing really slippery sandals. These are the too expensive for us boats. And as always, there's quite a bit of pollution here. Lots and lots of rubbish. Look at the size of this snail. Looked like it was still alive, so I pushed it back to the water. I'm not sure if you can see the dragonflies. The rubbish, maybe somebody will burn it later. I'm going to take my chances and go up this way. Hopefully I don't trip. This is the ticket office. And you can't even enter the pier, the real pier, without buying a ticket. Since we're not doing that, I just want to show you the ticket price.
Thank you so much for watching. Your support means a lot. Never forget to smile. Please consider becoming a sponsor. $1 may not feel like much, but it will make a big difference. If you go to patreon.com or buymeacoffee.com, you can search Mr. H2S and my page will appear.